Every loaf begins long before the factory wakes. Millions of grains are gathered with relentless precision. The harvest moves directly into the industrial pipeline.
The road to mass production begins here.
Raw harvest races toward non-stop production.
The factory waits for its first delivery of the day.
Every shipment is measured before entering production.
The factory swallows thousands of tons each day. From field to factory, the movement never stops. The raw supply climbs into industrial storage. Carefully stored grain becomes tomorrow's flour. The transformation from grain to flour finally begins. Now the real process of bread making can begin. The factory feeds its production lines without pause. Every ingredient enters the system with exact precision.
Even liquids arrive through carefully controlled channels.
The living ingredient behind every rise is now awake.
Automation synchronizes every ingredient before mixing begins.
Even water is refined for perfect consistency.
One command activates the next stage of production.
Raw ingredients finally unite inside industrial mixers. Thousands of loaves begin as a single moving mass. Human experience still guides industrial perfection. The first finished dough moves deeper into production. Every second of movement is carefully controlled. Inside controlled heat, the dough begins to rise. The factory prepares for the next transformation. Before sunrise, the factory is already alive. Cleanliness controls every step inside modern food production. Inside, precision and speed work side by side. The rising process prepares the dough for shaping.
Every loaf begins with exact industrial portioning.
Machines shape each portion with relentless consistency. The final loaf shape starts to appear. Thousands of pans move in perfect synchronization. The dough reaches its final form before baking. Now the transformation turns permanent. Heat gives every loaf its color and texture. Fresh from the oven, the factory never slows down. The loaves leave their pans while still radiating heat. Even the pans rejoin the cycle without delay.
Cooling begins immediately after baking.
Temperature control protects texture and freshness.
Human eyes still guard the production line.
Only uniform loaves move forward.
Precision spacing prepares every loaf for cutting. Thousands of perfect slices are made every minute. Consistency defines industrial bread production.
Safety checks never stop along the line. The final stage of protection is prepared. Fresh bread moves toward the world outside the factory.
Each loaf is sealed to preserve freshness.
Every package carries its production history.
Packaging quality is checked loaf by loaf.
Automation keeps the factory moving without interruption. Individual loaves become part of a global supply chain.
Robotics handle the speed humans cannot match.
Every shipment is stabilized for the road ahead. Every pallet enters the distribution network instantly.
Production now meets large-scale logistics.
Human coordination still drives warehouse movement. Millions of loaves wait for rapid distribution.
Inventory systems control every pallet inside the warehouse.
The factory prepares to send fresh bread nationwide. Fresh bread is moments away from leaving the factory.
The finished loaves begin their journey outward.
Temperature control protects freshness during transport.
Every shipment leaves under strict coordination. Fresh bread moves toward stores before the next sunrise.
Inside this factory, production never truly stops. Another cycle begins within minutes of the last.
Automation keeps the factory supplied around the clock.
The process repeats with exact consistency. Precision remains constant at industrial scale. Every loaf follows the same engineered path. Hundreds of conveyor systems move in perfect rhythm. Climate control shapes the texture of every loaf. Heat must remain exact across every batch. Inside the ovens, raw dough becomes finished bread. The heat of production pours into the cooling lines.
Another batch moves deeper into the factory cycle.
Behind the machinery, digital systems control the pace.
Every loaf is tracked from dough to delivery. Automation prevents even a second of delay.
Technology inspects details invisible to the human eye.
Only flawless loaves remain on the line. Even waste is controlled within the process.
Packaging systems operate with split-second timing. Fresh bread is sealed moments after slicing. Traceability follows every loaf leaving the factory. Machines coordinate thousands of products every hour. Automation builds stable shipments at industrial speed. Each pallet is secured for transport across long distances.
The warehouse moves like a synchronized machine.
The final appearance matters as much as the bread itself.
Every package must protect freshness perfectly. Exact weight standards guide the finishing process. Every loaf enters the tracking network instantly. The factory prepares bread exactly as stores receive it.
Robots handle repetitive movement without slowing production.
Every shipment is sealed and labeled in seconds.
Stacking patterns are engineered for safe transport. The finished loads are stabilized for distribution.
Freshness is preserved until delivery begins. Warehouse movement continues with military precision.
The final logistics stage moves at full speed. Every truck leaves with carefully planned inventory. Fresh bread is now ready to reach millions of homes.
Every loaf is scientifically verified for safety.
Even moisture is controlled to exact standards. Texture defines the perfect sandwich bread experience. Longevity is tested before bread ever reaches stores.
Even industrial bread must pass human judgment.
Only approved batches continue to the world. Technology ensures absolute product safety. Durability guarantees safe delivery to every destination. Random checks secure consistent factory standards.
Every process is recorded, verified, and approved.
The factory now releases its final approval.
Approved batches move into global distribution.
Testing completes, but production never stops.
Every result becomes part of a global system. The factory stands fully certified and ready.
Now the factory prepares to send bread to the world.
Every second is optimized for distribution. Massive scale meets perfect coordination. Every truck is sealed for safe delivery.
The bread begins its journey beyond the factory walls. From one factory, countless routes emerge. Fresh bread reaches regional centers within hours. Distribution narrows from region to neighborhood. Fresh bread moves into everyday life.
From wheat fields to every table, this is how modern factories produce sandwich bread from start to finish.